Come, let's see about the Zener diode. First we will see what is Zener diode. A Zener diode is a heavily doped PN junction diode that is designed to operate in the reverse breakdown region. Here you can see the symbol of Zener diode. The Zener diode circuit symbol places two tags at the end of the bar, one in the upward direction and other in the lower direction, as you can see in the figure. This helps in distinguishing Zener diodes from other form of diodes within the circuit. Zener diode also consists the cathode and anode. Here you can see in the figure. The current flows from anode to cathode as well as cathode to anode respectively. Circuit diagram or layer structure of Zener diode. As we know, Zener diode is always connected in reverse direction. Why? Because it is specifically designed to work in reverse direction. The reverse biasing means anode is connected with the negative supply of the battery and cathode is connected to the positive supply of the battery. The depletion region of the diode is very thin because it is made of the heavily doped P and N-type semiconductor material. Working of Zener diode. As we know, Zener diode is heavily doped than the normal PN junction diode, hence it has very thin depletion region. When Zener diodes work in forward biased condition, it works like a normal PN junction diode. However, in reverse bias condition, a small leakage current flows through the diode. This current is called reverse leakage current or also called the reverse saturation current. If this reverse biased voltage across the diode is increased continually, high electric field develop across the junction. This strong electric field breaks all the covalent near the junction and the junction breakdown and a large reverse current starts flowing through the diode. This large reverse current may damage the diode. To protect the diode from damage, the resistance is connected in series with the Zener diode. That resistance is called current limiting resistance. This breakdown is called Zener breakdown. The voltage at which this breakdown occurs is called Zener voltage. If the applied reverse voltage across the diode is more than Zener voltage, the diode provides a conductive path to the current through it. Hence, there is no chance of further avalanche breakdown in it. Now, there are two types of reverse breakdown region in a Zener diode. First one is avalanche breakdown and the another one is Zener breakdown. Let's come understand one by one. First, we will take the avalanche breakdown. The avalanche breakdown occurs in both normal diodes and Zener diodes at high reverse voltage. When high reverse voltage is applied to the PN junction diode, the free electrons, means we can say the minority carriers, gains large amount of energy and accelerated to a greater velocities. The free electrons moving at high speed will collide with the atoms and knock off more electrons, as you can see in the figure. These electrons are again accelerated and collide with the other atom. Because of this continuous collision with the atom, a large number of free electrons are generated. As a result, electric current in the diode increases rapidly. This sudden increase in electric current may permanently destroy the normal diodes. However, avalanche diodes may not be destroyed because they are carefully designed to operate in avalanche breakdown region. Avalanche breakdown occurs in Zener diode with Zener voltage is greater than 6 volt. If the voltage is greater than 6 volt, then the avalanche breakdown occurs. Now the next one is Zener breakdown. Zener breakdown occurs in a heavily doped PN junction diodes because of their narrow depletion region. When reverse bias voltage applied to the diode is increased, the narrow depletion region generates a strong electric field. When reverse bias voltage applied to the diode reaches closer to Zener voltage, the electric field in the depletion region is strong enough to pull electrons from their valence band. The valence electron, which gains sufficient energy from the strong electric field of depletion region, will break bonding with the parent atom. The valence electron which break bonding with parent atom will becomes free electrons. These free electrons carry electric current from one place to another place. At Zener breakdown region, a small increase in voltage will rapidly increase the electric current. Zener breakdown occurs at low reverse voltage, whereas avalanche breakdown occurs at high reverse voltage. Zener breakdown occurs in Zener diode because they have a very thin depletion region. Breakdown region is the normal operating region for a Zener diode. Zener breakdown occurs in Zener diodes with voltage less than 6 volt. Now you can understand the difference between the avalanche breakdown and the Zener breakdown. Now we will see the VI characteristics of a Zener diode. As the VI characteristics of Zener diode is shown in the below figure. When forward biased voltage is applied to the Zener diode, it works like a normal diode. However, when reverse biased voltage is applied to the Zener diode, it works in different manner. When reverse bias voltage is applied to a Zener diode, it allows only a small amount of leakage current until the voltage is less than the Zener voltage. When reverse bias voltage applies to the Zener diode reaches Zener voltage, it starts allowing large amount of electric current. At this point, a small increase in reverse voltage will rapidly increase the electric current. Because of this sudden rise in electric current, breakdown occurs. As we know, it is called the Zener breakdown. However, Zener diode exhibits a control breakdown that does damage the device. As the Zener breakdown voltage of the Zener diode is also depends on the amount of doping applied. If the diode is heavily doped, Zener breakdowns occurs at low reverse voltage. On the other hand, if the diode is lightly doped, the Zener breakdown occurs at high reverse voltages. Zener diodes are available with Zener voltages in the range of 1.8 voltage to 400 voltage. Now we will see the advantages of Zener diode. First, power dissipation capacity is very high. Second, high accuracy. Third, small in size. And last, cost is very low. Now come take a review of applications of Zener diode. It is normally used as voltage reference. Zener diode are used in voltage stabilizer or shunt regulators. Zener diodes are used in switching operation. They are also used in clipping and clamping circuits. They are also used in various protection circuits. Thank you. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe this.